Alright, so I just got these today from PDR Finesse. I was really hoping that, I like the fact that these are really wide. But I was hoping that these would be a little more flexible like the smaller ones. But they are, you know, son of a... Bleh! They are not as stiff as Dent, that's for sure. One thing I did notice that right away is, man, you guys got to get a little better at dipping your handles. My God. What the fuck? Alright, so the main reason I ordered these was because I gotta have something that's got a wider head on it, and I need some flex in it, but still be nice and stout when you go and turn it like this. The reason I like this is because when you get up inside that brace, I can actually probably even put my foot on this, bend it a little bit, get a little bit of hook in there. So when I slip it in, I'm not fighting the roof and making snakes. So this one seems like it's going to work pretty good. I haven't got to use it yet, but just by holding it in my hand, I like it. I like it. Here's a little shorter one. Seems like the shorter they get, the less flexible they are, but I think with working with them a little bit and see, getting that little bit of bend, that's what I like right there. I got it way too far back here. I want to get it up here a little more, but I like to get a little bend in here like this. So that way your handle's down off of the roof when you, or whatever it is that you're under, a hood, a deck lid, or a roof. Your handle's off the roof, and you can come down like this and give it a little bit of tweak and pressure, so you're not creating snakes as you press it inside the brace. This one here is really stiff. Might have to get that into a vise to get my little bend in there, but this one could have been a little thinner right here, I think. But yeah, I mean, in my hand right now, I haven't used them, but they feel like they're going to do what I want them to do. I'm not trying to talk crap about Dentcraft. They do have great whale tails, but I think they're just too stiff for me. I don't know if any other guys feel the same way, but I try to get them up into tight braces in the roofs and stuff, and I make more mess than I do cleaning up dents. So then I got to go back and tap down the snakes and everything. So I need to have something with a little flex in there so I can snake it up into where I got to go, especially if you're in a hood and that hood bends like this. You're going to want something like this so you can, it flexes with the hood without creating big snakes. Alright, well, I'll do another review on these later when I actually get to use them, but that's it for today. Thanks.